for my bad girls and also for my bad boys. So, children, go from me, mama, feel back life. I go give it to you, baby. I'm close, I am kicking, baby. I go give it to you, baby. I'm close, I am kicking, baby. Thank you all so Boy, no, you hurt me. Baby boy, no, you hurt me. Boy, no, you hurt me. Baby boy, no, you hurt me. Boy, no, you hurt me. Baby boy, no, you hurt me. Boy, no, you hurt me. Baby boy, no, you hurt me. So this rap isn't cheap, but you might not understand. What do you want from me? Don't call me anymore. And yesterday I called me Pel, and I'm the girl Vito. And rap before me do me a man for when I'm broken heart, yeah, but I'm in show. Now my rap I shot the second of the heart. Hope I live some broken towels. I'll love you more and more. Now if you about so much like golden falls. That's how much I'm in the trace work as well. My baby, you don't think fun. I'm not going to feel for the do. What's me bisa crazy I do? Pack out you no brand new bread. Don't get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. Hold me like a
Ready, go. Presentation 64. No repeat or hesitation. Category is food.
Fried rice.
Jollof. Indomie. Spaghetti.
To witness the marriage ceremony, in fact, the traditional marriage ceremony of our dear Sylvester and Sasha. Let's give it up for them. Yes, so as the one and only ordained pastor of the universe and on the earth, I hereby present the official ring that will signal that Sylvester is indeed getting married to Sasha. So I give it to Sylvester to officially engage Sasha. Yes. Okay. Yes, let's clap for that. By the authority that I possess as a pastor, I now declare Sylvester and Sasha as husband and wife.
land.
No, this is ours.
Intruders have invaded on
Yes,
our land.
they're trying
They
to
are
do
trying
it.
to stand
Let's
for our land.
no,
I don't even know that
Y'all are lying.
What is your proof?
Oh, I have documents.
The documents.
I got official
Oh,
documents.
very documents. Okay, if this is your land, and take this.
Where you going?
What's going on?
Are you leaving with him?
Yeah, you have to.
There's your escort.
No,
We're busy working our land. No.
for our land.
Somebody just say to the land.
You guys are lying. Are they coming here?
What is all this?
That's the broom? Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
What is this old man?
Are you going to sweep them away?
Yes, you have to.
Is that a weapon? They should see. You should see them away.
It's time wasted.
Nice job.
Let's work.
I want you to break this for me.
I have a compromise. You guys leave and we stay. No. That's a compromise. I get what you want. I want.
And it's easy to break.
This shows that you are strong to fight for this land. Meaning you are ready to fight for this land.
It's my land, yes.
Very weak.
This shows you are ready to fight for this land.
Yes.
Break this. All this.
All of it.
All of this?
How is that possible?
This is impossible.
How is that possible?
This is impossible
I'll do
to
it.
break that. I can break it over his head.
No. Break it.
I could. He
Break
actually
it.
might break it though.
Break it.
Yeah, so weak.
No.
Fight past them.
Okay.
Can I try?
We can do this. Sir, remember.
You can do it.
All
It's
right.
not breaking.
It's the pattern.
What's the point, old
This is
man?
telling us divided we fall, united we stand. So this land, fighting over this land is being taken by the chief. That is the god of the land. So it's been divided between you. Any food you bring from here, bring it to the family. Thank you.
You're off our land.
So now, everything that you are going to do here, the work you are coming to labor here is no more for you again. Because since the two of you cannot come together and get food from here, then food whatever you are going to do here has been seized by the chief. So now your labor is in vain because you want to fight. Instead of you to be united and work together, you didn't do it. So that's the meaning of my